Here's how to fix the problem where your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra battery only charges to 80%, 85%, 90%, or even 95%. So this might be an issue where you've enabled the battery protection on this phone to extend the battery life or the battery health of your battery on this phone. So all you have to do is simply go into settings and disable that option. So scroll down and find battery and power saving, and then you want to select battery health and charging, and then here you also want to select battery health. Now you'll find that this option may be enabled, or even this option may be enabled. So if this option is enabled, it means that your phone uses AI to learn your charging patterns, your charging routine, and the battery will be temporarily charged to 80% during long-term charging. So this might be your issue, so you want to toggle this option off. Or if this option is the one that is enabled, you simply want to set the maximum charge level all the way to maybe 95, but this is still not going to charge your battery to 100%. So this option helps you basically to keep the battery health of your phone intact by not having a full cycle charge, so it doesn't leave the battery at 100% for long. So all you have to do is simply toggle this option off as well, and toggling off these two options is going to fix that problem where your phone only reaches a certain capacity and it doesn't charge to 100%. But that's basically how to do that. But if you know what's good for you, you want to enable this option to maintain the battery health of your phone. As you can see, mine is at 100%. So you want to maintain that battery health for as long as possible, and you can change this charge level to either 90% or 95%, depending on what you want to maintain the battery health for longer. But that's basically how to fix that problem where your phone reaches a certain percentage and stops charging. Stay safe, take care, and God bless.